Hi, my name is Tim Crawford. I'm an ex-Pixar animator and currently teach and direct animation. I would like to tell you about the Animators LAB. The Animators LAB is an online on-demand course which will teach you animation using mostly the layered method, an indispensable technique which is used by the biggest studios to achieve realistic physical animation. Layered animation generally refers to the idea of breaking down the body into smaller sections, finding where the movement starts from, and animating one single parameter at a time so the process is easier to manage. It all begins with a single simple movement to which we add more layers to enrich the animation until it all comes together as one cohesive performance. We will start with basic exercises such as the classic bouncing ball and the swinging pendulum. After that, we will move on to physical shots such as a walk and run cycle and other full body actions. Finally, we will animate a full human character with facial expressions in a dialogue and lip sync shot. On top of that, we will show how to animate quadrupeds as well. Each lesson comes with 3D models, downloadable animated scenes, and practical exercises to do yourself. Let's start learning to animate in Maya.